Hello and welcome back to Neo Kirby Fire Alarmist 100. I am currently not home, but I am testing out my first ever fire alarm, which is the Red Commander 3 12-volt model. As you can see, I have a 9-volt battery, and I'm going to test this out. Well, it appears to work. See if the strobe still works. Yep. It works. It still works. After all these years and even been missing its strobe lens. So I'm very thankful for that. I just need to get a new strobe lens for it so I don't end up shocking myself. So, this was a quickie. But, thank you for watching. I would do the other tones, but I want to get a new strobe lens before I, mess with it too much. So you have a fantastic day or night. Next video will be a big one, so stay tuned for that. And have a fantastic day or night. Once again, bye-bye.